Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Leo. Leo people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Leo, in this reading, first of all, I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. Okay? Hierophant. So Leo, this is your current energy, the Hierophant. Page of Swords, Knight of Wands. These are your partner's current energy. Okay. Now first we'll discuss about your current energy. So we have the Hierophant. Leo people, I feel that you are going through some kind of a medication or meditation or some kind of a counseling thing in your life. Perhaps you are taking guidance from your loved ones, from your family members, from your parents, from your friends, lover, or some other, some your seniors or your managers. Okay, some kind of a discussion is going on in your life. It could be related to your finances, it could be related to your career, your goals, your job, your business, your love life, your normal routine life, your mental health, your physical health. Something is going on in your life, some kind of a discussion is taking place in your life, and you are being very involved in that particular discussion or that particular situation. I feel that it is related, it could be related to your finances, it could be related to your goals, it could be related to your career and so on. So whatever it is, that thing really matters to you. Okay, that thing really matters to you. You do not want to take that thing for granted, right? So you are being very sincere, you are being very serious about it. And yes, so this is your current energy. Now let's see, Leo, what is your partner current energy, or what are your partner current energy? So we have Page of Swords and Knight of Wands. Both the cards are telling me that your person is ready to take certain action. They have done their homework, they have done their part, they have prepared for this thing. They are eagerly waiting to take certain action. It could be towards you, it could be towards their finances, it could be there towards their life, it could be towards their success, it could be anything. But yes, there is I'm there is something in their life which they had planned. Now they want to take that particular thing, and they want to take some solid action towards that particular thing. Or perhaps they are preparing to start something new. They are preparing to uh, they are perhaps they are still uh, doing their homework. They are still preparing to get that particular thing done in their life. Okay, because this horse is here only. This horse is not moving anywhere. That means they want to do something in life, but there are certain obligations within their life, within their family, which are stopping them to move ahead. Okay, they want to take action, and they are preparing themselves, or perhaps their preparation has been done, but there are some kind of obligation, some kind of obstruction, some kind of problems within their life which are holding them back. Perhaps they want to take action towards you. Perhaps you are discussing about them within your family, within your friends. Perhaps you are taking guidance. Perhaps you are discussing about them. Perhaps you are telling your parents that, hey, I have chosen one person, I want to be with them. Okay. Now, On the other hand, your partner has done their homework, but it could have, I mean, it could happen that they must have spoken with their family, they must have spoken with their friends, with their loved ones. Okay, they had tried to convince them, or plus I feel that they are trying to convince them for you, for this relationship. Okay, but I feel that there is some kind of emotional, you know, foundation. They are tied with some emotional foundations which they cannot break, right? They want to take action towards you. They have done their part. Now they are just, you know, their family must have holding them back. Okay, or perhaps they are holding back their emotions just because of their family, or just because of their friends, or just because of their loved ones, right? So these are your partner's current energy, Leo. Now let's see how you see them and how they see you. How you see them and how they see you. Queen of Swords, Eight of Swords. So Leo, you see them as somebody who is projecting themselves as a queen. Okay, perhaps there are certain things they do, like, wow, I mean, you are like so amazed with their aura, or with their zeal, or with their energies. Okay, they are somebody who is not afraid to cut certain people or certain toxic energies out of their life. But with this Eight of Swords card, they are also somebody, or you also see them as somebody who is still tied with their comfort zone, or who is tied with their, I mean, they have their own their own imaginary world. Okay, perhaps their parents won't stop them. Perhaps whatever they want to do in life, nobody is stopping them, but they have this thing in their mind that, okay, if I'll do this thing, or if I'll take certain step towards this person, or this job, or this particular XYZ career, what people will think about me, what people will say about me. They are being really, really conscious about their choices in life. Okay, they are being really, really conscious about how people think about them, how people react on their decisions, how people will treat them, right? But you see them as somebody who is queen, who is not afraid. Okay, but deep down in their heart, you see them as somebody who is still afraid to take certain action towards certain situations. Okay. Hmm. With these two cards, you see them as somebody who is genuinely wants to take action, right? Perhaps they are being somebody who has cut all other offers which they have came across. Okay, but when it comes to you, they feel little scared. They feel that they won't be able to convince their parents. You see them as somebody who will be, you know, who won't be able to convince their parents, who won't be able to convey their thoughts in front of their friends, in front of their family. Okay, on the other hand, your person sees you as somebody, Leo, as, I mean, with this Nine of Swords card, they see you as somebody who is broken, who is worried, who is anxious, who is scared. Okay, who is somebody who does not, who 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 is unable to sleep in nights. There is something in your mind. They see you as somebody who is little, who is worried. Okay, who is scared, who is anxious. It could be due to any reason. It could be due to any reason. Perhaps they see you as somebody that you do not want to lose them. You have fear to lose them, right? Now let's see how you think about them and how they think about you. Seven of Cups. And how you think about them. Oh my God. Seven of Cups. Leo, you think about them as they are somebody who is like so confused in life. Okay, who wants, sometimes they behave like okay they want you, or sometimes they behave like okay I don't want you. Okay, so they, you think about them as they are somebody who is not on their own words. Okay, they someday they say okay I'll be with you. Okay, and on the other day they say that oh I can't be with you, my family is objecting, my family is not listening to me, or so many things. So you think about them as they are somebody who is confused soul, who wants everything in life and who doesn't have anything in life, right? On the other hand, they think about you as a lover. They think that you are the one for them. They think that you love them with your full of your heart. You love them immensely. You love them like anything, right? They know that because I am seeing the same thing here. You are being somebody who is talking about them within your family. You are being anxious about them. Okay, you are being anxious, you are worried, what if I lose this person, what will I do? And you see them as somebody with this lover's card. I mean, they feel about you that you are lover for them, you are the one for them. Okay, they feel a divine connection with you, they feel a soul connection with you, they feel a mutual connection with you. All right, now let's see what is, I mean, how you think or how you feel in this relationship, or what you feel in this relationship and what they feel in this relationship. What's happening with me? Justice, the Magician. So we have Justice card. With this Justice card, you think about this relationship as okay, if I want this person, or I don't want anyone. Okay, I see uh, complete balance in my life with this person. I see I feel the sense of authority in this person. I feel secure in with this person or in this relationship. So you just want them to be in your life, you just want, plus you are, plus I feel that you also want some clarity from your person, you also want some solid decision from your person. Perhaps their silence is making you really sick and tired. Perhaps their uh, I mean, what should I say? Their um, their confusing energy, their confused energy is making you really sick and tired. Okay, so now you just want to see what is going to be there for me. Okay, will they ever connect with me? Will they ever take a chance, or will they ever take a step towards me? So you just want to be, you just want to check what they are going to do. Okay, how strong they are, you just want to see how brave they are, right? On the other hand, they feel in this relationship as the Magician. See, they know that you love them, they know you can bring happiness within their life, they know that you are the one for them, right? And with this Magician card, they think about this relationship, or they feel in this relationship as yes, this is the person who can give me happiness, this is the person who can give me joy, sense of fulfillment, sense of completeness. Okay, this is the person, and this is the relationship which can give me the all happiness of the world, right? Now let's see, Leo, what future is holding. One card to see what is going to be the future potential. What's going to be the future potential for Leo? What's happening? The same card came in Aries. Seven of Pentacles. Leo, I feel that this is you. It's you who's waiting for your person to come out from their comfort zone. It's you who's waiting for your person to talk about this relationship and talk about you with their family and friends. It's you who is waiting for your person to take certain action towards you, right? Now let's see what angels wants to tell you. Let's take some angel guidance for you to move ahead. Angel guidance. Oh. Angel guidance for Leo. Take action. Okay, take action. Leo, I feel that angels are asking you to take action. They do not want you to miss this person. They don't want you to miss this opportunity. Angels do not want you to miss this relationship. Perhaps your person will not take any action towards you, okay? Perhaps they won't be able to uh, confront their emotions, confront their feelings in front of their family. Perhaps they won't be able to show any courage, any bravery in front of the world. So angels are asking you to take action. You should take take a lead of this relationship now, Leo. And it's completely up to you whether you are going to take a solid step in this relationship or not. All right. Okay. So Leo, I feel that some of you could be dealing with Taurus with this Hierophant. Some of you could be dealing with air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Queen of Swords, Eight of Swords, Nine of Swords, Page of Swords. Some of you could be dealing with Gemini with this Lovers card, and we have Libra in this reading with this Justice card. Some of you could be dealing with water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio with this Seven of Cups, and some of you could be dealing with earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this Seven of Pentacles, right? We have fire sign as well in this reading, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this Knight of Wands. All right. So Leo, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye.